we are going to see NEET 2019 question paper, which is asked in a NEET exam 2019. Okay. So first we'll see analyze this question, then we'll be doing the answer. Okay. So question is asked when the alpha particle and hydrogen is moving inside the magnetic field. Okay. Alpha particle and a hydrogen is moving inside the magnetic field. It's perpendicularly entering. Okay, we have magnetic field. Consider this cross mark, the magnetic field entering perpendicular perpendicular to the board. Okay, when the alpha particle is enter. Okay, alpha and hydrogen both is positive only. Okay, when it is enter, it will moving perpendicular to the magnetic field. Use Fleming left hand rule. Okay, because of left hand rule, it will make turn this side. Okay, when the charged particle moving inside the magnetic field, it will move circular motion. Okay, the force is always acting towards the center. It's all depend on Fleming left hand rule and what is the charge is entering. Okay, so the centripetal force is equal to Lorentz force. Centripetal force is equal to Lorentz force. Okay, Lorentz force. The question is asked, what is the ratio of hydrogen and alpha particle? This is the ratio of radius. First we will find what is the radius. Centripetal force mv square by r is equal to Lorentz force qvb. Okay, v get cancelled. So they asked radius only. So radius you can take it that side, remaining you can bring it this side. So r is equal to mv divided by qb. This is what we'll get. Okay. So question, again you should listen the question. You can see the question. Okay. QVB, except the charge, everything is the same. Except charge, it's moving with the same momentum. Okay. So you should relate with the momentum also. So R is equal to, momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Mass into velocity, we can take it as momentum divided by charge into magnetic field. So I got like this. Okay, first now for hydrogen I am writing. Hydrogen only one positive charge. So radius is equal to, it is P by charge of electron. Okay, only one charge of proton also we can take it. Charge of proton. It's same magnetic field. It is for hydrogen. Okay, radius of hydrogen. The next thing, momentum is same. It is the charge of hydrogen and this magnetic field is same. So now radius of alpha particle. What is alpha particle? Helium nucleus. Helium nucleus. Okay. So helium nucleus, how many proton will be there? Helium nucleus, 2 proton, 2 neutron will be there. Okay. So how many is charged? Out of 4, 2 only is charged because of 2 proton. Okay. Momentum is same divided by charge of proton. No, here 2 times of charge of proton. Okay, alpha particle. The same magnetic field. Now they are asking what is the ratio between radius of hydrogen divided by radius of alpha particle. Okay, this is P divided by EB divided by P divided by 2 times of EB. So momentum get cancelled, magnetic field get cancelled, charge get cancelled. Okay, so denominator directly will come into the numerator. 2 by 1. The ratio is going to be 2:1. This is the answer for this question. It's asked in 2019. Okay, it's very simple question. The answer is going to be A, 2:1. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my channel, please subscribe.